Well, after more than 5 days of testimony and evidence, the fate of Elias Gudino is in the hands of a jury right now. He's accused of kidnapping 4 people and killing 3 of them in Summit County last year. And today, we heard final arguments from both sides. The state argues Gudino wanted his wife back. Text messages show he paid someone to cast a love-binding spell on her. When that didn't work, they said he drove to Youngstown with an accomplice, held up 4 roommates, and used them to get to the man who was living with his wife. When that failed, they argue he took them back to Summit County, the victims, where he and an accomplice bound, gagged, and shot them. One of the victims survived.
He talked about how his friends were all murdered and how this man put a gun up to his head and shot at him. This is not a cartel-related killing. This is a jealous husband.
That's human nature. We want to hold somebody responsible for everything. But holding somebody responsible that was under duress, that does not deserve to be held responsible, that's not justice.
That's Gudino's attorney speaking, and he says they don't dispute that Gudino was there during it all, but they argue he was a victim, that the Mexican cartel he was involved with 15 years earlier was after him, that they had threatened Gudino's kids and grandkids and had a gun pointed at him the whole time. Well, the jury has had the case for about an hour and a half, and we'll bring you, of course, the verdict when they wrap up those deliberations.